Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul. Thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to my channel, watch all these videos, and if you're liking such videos, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. And for the ones who want additional services, WhatsApp our team 78926524481, or else check out our website smarttrader.co. And for the ones who wants to open an account in Zerodha Upstock, the link is given in the description. Click on the link and open your account, and you will be getting a lifetime offer valid only till December 2018. Read the description for more details. So today's video is going to be on market updates and news on a daily basis. So this will help you understand how the market has performed today and what are the stocks which did differently for the day due to different factors, and also what are the stocks which are good on a positional basis published by different market experts with different reports, and what are the targets given by them, and what are the things we can observe. These are things which we will discuss on a daily basis on a market update daily videos. So if you like such videos, then hit that like button and comment on this video and say that you like it and your opinion on that, so that we can improvise it and we can start implementing these type of videos. So hope you like this video. So if you see, Nifty has fallen up to 1% for the day. So the Nifty is in currently downtrend. If I just give you 3 minutes chart, if you see, Nifty fell up to 1130, then later we have a super trend buy for 3 minutes around 1130. That is when the stock, Nifty stopped falling down, and there was a small recovery in Nifty. That is when the lot of stocks which are against the market went up during this period. So overall, this Nifty is in downtrend for the day. So which are the stock which gave you profits, which are stock went down, and which are stock on which you can take advantage is the question. So I have two stocks which are in bullish stocks. Even though the market was falling down very badly today, these two stocks, Balram Chin and Can Fin Home, went up for the day. I'll just show you these charts of this particular stock. So if you see, when Nifty fell today, this particular stock went up and are still in the 3 minute super trend itself. They are in the top, and later after market is recovering above, these are going in sideways, and until it breaks its own high, it doesn't have any scope for now. Same with Balram Chin's September futures. Even this went up in the same direction, and you could have taken the same advantage, around 8% movement. And Can Fin Home went up to 5%, around 5%, and same advantage. When Nifty fell, this stock went up, and when Nifty hit the super trend, this one broke its own high. That's when you could have taken the small advantage, which I took that small advantage over here, and 0.3% also would give you good profit and exit for the day. So these were the two stocks which went differently against the market. Even though market is falling down, these two stocks gave a good direction and a good way of profit if you would have considered this. There are stocks which fell down along with the market, same advantage would have taken, but these two stocks were unique, which went against the market, which were strong bullish for the day. So now just moving on to the market experts report for short-term and positional trading. So these are the recommendations given by the market experts. So it's always not recommended to go and trade based on market news or what are the recommendations given by them, but it's not wrong to observe the market and observe the recommendations and report generated by them. So this is how you can learn from different experts why they give a buy rating for a stock and what is the reason, and when you go and read those reports, you get a better idea. These reports will be 1 page, 10 page, depends on their analysis. So initially you may not understand, but on a daily basis when you read these reports, you understand what are the technical and fundamental analysis they are doing and the reason why they recommend the stock is going to go up. So once you start learning that, on a longer term, you will understand how to analyze the stock fundamentally or technically, how to understand the stock, and you can also be good in these type of analysis. So that's the reason I am sharing this. This is only for educational purpose only. So start observing the stock, if the stock will go reach those targets recommended by them, or else will the stock goes against them, and also read the reports why they say so. This will help you on a daily basis. I will share you a few stocks recommended by the experts. So in this particular, I have 3 particular stocks recommended by Cholamandalam Securities. They say Reliance Home Finance's target is 91, and I'll just show you in the chart. Reliance Home currently trading at 64.55, around 64.55 and 64.50. They are recommending that this stock will go up to 91. So if I just zoom out, they're saying it will go up to 91. And if you say 64.55 is the current price, we have a expected return percentage of 40% of upward direction is what they are looking at. So their report says September 14th report, which was generated. Go into Cholamandalam Securities and check. So if you have account in these particular demat accounts in these particular brokers, you will have the access to look into a lot of reports generated by them. And then we have Sharekhan is giving a buy rating for Infosys of 840. Okay, currently it is trading at 729.85. so if I go and look at the 52-week high, it has made only around 748, right? So they are giving 840 is gonna be the target, and currently I put the current price as 730. Around 15% upward direction is what they are expecting, right? So you can start observing if the stock can go up to 840 on a short term positional trading. And if you want to know in detailed research analysis, go read the analysis research report published on September 14, 2018 by them, Sharekhan. So you'll get a better idea why they are telling this. It takes a lot of time to read that. There is 5 to 10 pages, so it will take a lot of time to explain all those factors. It's better you go read all those, you get a better idea. Initially it's difficult, I understand, but later on you will get used to it. This is how I used to do, and this is how I got to know how these people observe the particular stock and how they do the analysis. I get a better idea. That's how I come up with different ideas. Then we have a Sharekhan having a buy on M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. So if you see, this particular stock is trading around 949.50 on 950, and they are expecting this stock to move up to 1075. So if I put 950 as current price, they are looking around 10,075. So 13% up move. If you see the 52-week high of this particular stock has not yet reached so much, so it is 993. So they're expecting way above the 52-week high. So let's see if it can break this 52-week high, and then it can go up to 1075 or 1050. It's also more than enough for this particular stock. So hope these type of market news and stocks which perform differently are helping you out on a daily basis. So I will do a market update or news video on a daily basis. So if this is helping you, then hit that like button and also share this video with all your friends and comment on this video if it is helping you. See you soon in my next video. Hit the subscribe button. Till then, take care. Bye bye.